Alright, it's your boy. I'm back again with another video. I'll say good morning, good afternoon, good evening, irrespective of your location. So right here is your boy Salem Bro. And if this is your first time on my channel, please do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And please turn on the bell notification so that whenever I release a new video, you will be the first to receive it. And also create your indulgence as a crypto end users and crypto lover. Please, on my way to 1,000 subscriber, and I need your help as a way of contribution and a way to support the channel through the means of your subscription. So right here, I'm here to give you a quick and a new crypto project that is booming right now on the crypto space, known as Prass. So Prass is a revolutionary decentralized crypto project that aims in supporting or rewarding its users through the means of mining and through their means of referrals. So, and also their vision is to create a rewarding and decentralized ecosystem where users can earn through mining and referrals. So make sure to distribute 60% of Prass token to the community. So right now, before now, to early users who actually register on Prass early, like let me say, which is early this month. So they earned some percent, they were given some reward, some token reward by the Prass community, by the Prass team as a means of distribution. So, and they have distributed like 60% of Prass token to the community, and the total supply is about 100 billion token, of which 60% has been shared to the community for early miner and early registrar. So right here, in order for you to start any of this project, you will need your valid email and also your password to start this project. I will leave the link in the description below so that you can start accumulating more of the tokens. So the means for you to, and their way for you to accumulate more of the tokens, so it is of two ways. Before it was one way, so but right now it has been directed, or it has been changed to two ways. One is just for you to earn points, or you accumulate more tokens from, you have a form of a mining system whereby you will actually claim a code every 24 hours of the day. So those codes will be given through their Telegram group, whereby you can just copy the code and add it to the dashboard right here, and I'll walk you step by step on how you can do it. So right here is the dashboard. You can see I've accumulated about 61,450 points of the Prass. So right here, if you come here, if you come right here, this is the boss. So this is the area you can input the code. So let me go directly. So right here, this is the code. So this is where you can input the code. You can see it right here. So you can just input the code right here, and you copy from the Telegram channel. Then you input it right here. Then you are going to earn 1,000 Prass. So you're going to earn 1,000 Prass. So that's how for the code. Let me just take you. Then also you can join their Telegram channel. So right here you can join their Telegram channel. You can see it right here. You can join their Twitter page just for you to get more info from them. So you can join there to copy and also to get some information about the project. So right here you can go to the main section, which is your profile. So right here, so you can get there so that you can actually read about their white paper. So this is where their white paper is. So you can read about their white paper, then you know about their funding. And right now this project has been funded according to the team. So I don't know right now. So but according to the team, they have been funded $234 million as been funded for this project alone. So that's why you should just stick to it. And right now there are other things you can actually do. Before now, you can accumulate the token right here, but they got to know that some people are just one like only one person can have like 3 accounts, of which is not good. So right now they restrict it, and the only way you can actually connect, and you can also connect your wallet. So you can connect your wallet, but the connection of the wallet right here, it will not work. It will not work because the only way it can work, it is when you will take it to you open this link right here on your Web3 wallet. Let me say MetaMask, biggest wallet. So they'll take it right there because so many people are opening different accounts. Only one phone can get like how many accounts, of which is not actually good. So the team had to restrict it by means of you copying your link to your Web3 wallet, and then you will confirm it with a gas fee, a little gas fee, for you to confirm that is only your wallet. That is the wallet, which is the account you open, is just for only one wallet. So if you know that you want to open multiple accounts, then you are going to pay different gas fees. So right now, I'll just walk you step by step. I'll copy the referral code. So let me copy it. So you can copy it right here. You can see it. You copy it. So I'll copy it right now. So I'll head back now to my biggest wallet. So right now, right here, I'm on my biggest wallet. So all you need to do is just for you to copy the link right here and paste it on the DApp. So this is the DApp. You can see it discovering. Then you go straight to this place, enter. Then that's where you will input your code. So I'll input the code right now. I'll paste it. Then I'll click it. Then all you need to do is just to click the visit the link. So you click on it, you enter. So let's just wait. So right now you can see I've opened it right now. So all you need to do, you can see that show connected because I've already connected my wallet. So once you click on connect, it will request for a little gas fee. So note that. So but right now I'll open my account right now. Right here on the biggest wallet, if you open it on your biggest wallet, you can start mining. But on your browser, you cannot start mining. But only what you can do, you can log into your account, then you can be imputing the code every time, which is the code, the gift code that they give you on the Telegram. You can be imputing it right here. But from here on your Web3 wallet, you can start browsing, you can start mining at the same time when you have already impute the code, the gift code. So right now I'll go directly to my profile. So I'll impute my email. So right now I'll log in. So you can see it. I'll log in my account right here on my Web3 wallet, which is biggest. So I'll click. I will not save it, but I'll just log in. So you can see if you go to my web browser, you see I have 50 something, I'll be 60, but right here 70 something. Why? Because some bonus was given due to the process of connecting with the Web3 wallet. So they give other extra bonus. So that's what you're seeing. So you can see I've connected my wallet. You can see total earning I've earned 3,893. You can see it right now. So all you need to do, you can see from here I've connected my wallet. So for you just click on connect. Then we ask for a little gas fee. It's not maybe a cent, just a cent. Then right here I can click on start mining. So alongside with it, so you click on start mining. So it will just ask you to confirm your wallet. So this is my wallet. So I'll confirm it. So I input my transaction pin. So you can see it says sent successfully. So mining is in progress. So you can see more reward through the domain system. So the domain system is a new feature on the Prass.io, whereby you can purchase a domain. So when you purchase a domain, then you earn some reward, so NFT reward, and also when someone use your referral link, then definitely you are going to earn $4 worth of USDT so into your domain account. But I don't know if you can actually withdraw it, but do your own research because it is not a financial advice. So, and also this is just the process on how you can actually start the process, how to purchase your domain. So I'll walk you step on your account on how you can purchase the domain. So all you need to do right here is just for you to click on the domain. So upon clicking on the domain, so right here you can click on the domain. So upon clicking on it, then you can purchase the domain. So let us open it to see what is in. So right here, all you need to do right now is just for you to connect your wallet. So upon clicking the connect, then this is where you can purchase the domain. But right now, no domain is actually available right now. So this is where you can connect it. So once you connect it, then you purchase a domain. You can buy 5 worth of USDT of domain. Then you will earn reward and claim also your reward. Once you buy, you claim a reward. So that's just how the system works. Then this is where you can actually see your referral reward and your USDT that is pending. So that's why I say it is not a financial advice. Do well to do your own research before purchasing any domain. So this is just all about it. You can click here to copy your referral link. Then I will leave all the link in the description below. Know that your referral link for your domain is not the same with your referral link for someone to start using or start mining the Prass.io. So in all parts like this, if you find this video helpful, please do well to like this video and please subscribe to my YouTube channel and please turn on the bell notification. Thank you. Peace out.